connection, I tell people. Hip-hop's a powerful medium. It's just like the radio is a powerful medium. People would tell you, well, radio doesn't have the impact that it used to be, or hip-hop doesn't have the impact that it used to be. And I would tell you that wars have been started from words. Peace has been brought about because of words. Words have an unbelievable amount of power, so you have to have accountability and responsibility to use of those words, and also images. Public Enemy, if you had to say, if we had to break down ourselves of freedom fighters to be able to liberate some images, which are quick in this technological age, especially in 2010 going into 2011 into the millennium. People that don't have a sense of themselves usually are victimized by the barrage of images that come at them to be able to seep in and try to grab what they don't have, be it esteem, be it soul, be it a sense of history, be it a sense of a legacy, a connection, be it a sense of communication even. And we can't have technology be on top of us and running us. We have to be able to master these things or manage these things instead of these things running our lives. We can't fall victims to machines running human beings. But corporations stay in business by controlling human beings. And if they could get people to feel more connected to a fancy car than a person dying of AIDS, then their agenda is met of people sacrificing their insides for an item. And so back to the media, we've always considered ourselves media hijackers because we felt that we're in a time, and I'm talking about the last 25 to 30 years, where people go to the machines, be it television, be it film, be it recordings, be it radio, be it the internet, be it the Twitter or whatever, and they feel that they have to have a connection with these devices to their human self. And we are here to be able to tell people, like, okay, you don't have to detach it, but you have to be able to manage it and put it in its place, in its proper place. And so what we've come through the portal of rap music. We're the first ones to actually involve ourselves into the internet with www.publicenemy.com. We realized that we're at a turning point where portals that we actually can be able to steer can kind of like slap the media one-sidedness away. So coming here to South Africa has really been blessed. We've been blessed to be able to come here and connect with the people, and to be able to talk on Bush Radio is an unbelievable pleasure, because you connecting with the people, what it's all about.